Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in your INFINIX Hot 20i. So we start from adding the widgets. If you want some widget, just hold the finger on the home screen and choose widgets. Now look for the app that you want to set in the home screen, in my case it's Google Chrome, and just hold your widget and drop it into your home screen. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger again and choose resize, then use that edges. That's it. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. To change the name of this folder, just open it now and type the name. If you want to add more apps, just click here and choose the apps. But if you want to remove that, just take out every app from the folder to the home screen. The next way is we have to open the home screen again, home screen menu, go to the menu and choose appearance settings. Now as you can see there we have a few options to change. You can change here icon size, home screen style, like with large folders or the classic one. You can also change the home screen transition, like a rotate. In the appearance settings you can also change the desktop grid to choose amount of your apps in the one row on your home screen, and you can change the text color. In my case I will choose a green one. But if you want to change the theme, you have to go to the settings, go to the theme on the screen and choose my theme. Now just choose your theme. You can also in this section choose a live wallpaper in this place. Sorry, I think I have a little connection problem, but that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.